protect Earth. Many of us have changed the world. Now let's see how we human beings change the world. We used to get along well with environment just like this: green trees, blue sky, clean air, happy boys and girls. Afterwards, we cut down some trees to get more land and resources for our living. So far, the environment still looks good. Later, we don't satisfy with what we have. We want more. So, no trees, no blue sky, but more buildings, more cars, and more air pollution. The result is, many disasters come to us. Heavy rain, lightning, volcanic explosion, earthquake. Look what we finally get: a fallen homeland. What should we do to avoid this situation? Here are some suggestions that we can do in our daily life. Pick up some rubbish and throw it into trash can. Collect waste paper or bottles for recycling. Plant trees or flowers. Travel by bus instead of car. Save water. Keep these tips in mind and join us. Save environment, protect Earth together.